In a well-lit, clean, and dry location, begin unpacking the scale. Reference the manual to make sure all parts are included. This should include screws and washers, batteries, indicator cover, and indicator. Ensure you retain packing material in the event the scale needs to be moved or shipped in the future. Separate the handrails and set aside. The handrail with a red dot at its base will be the right handrail. With 2 people, lift the scale out of the box by its base. Remove the screw knob at the base of the center post. Raise the center post to the upright position, perpendicular with the scale base. Then, replace and tighten the screw knob. Roll back the handrail's rubber grip. Insert the handrail into the center post and scale base. Again, the right handrail is denoted by a red dot at its base. Secure the handrail to the center post by tightening one of the included screws in the hole located underneath the handrail. Return the rubber grip into position and repeat this process for the opposite handrail. Assemble base bolts with a lock washer, then flat washer. With the scale tipped down and the center post resting on the floor, install bolts with washers into the platform base and tighten handrails. Insert batteries in the back of the indicator and tighten the compartment's panel. Assemble indicator mounting screws with a lock washer, then a flat washer. With the scale back in its upright position, attach the indicator to the center post by tightening screws to the center post's bracket. Route the black load cell cable through the hole in the center post bracket. Plug the cable into the connection port on the back of the indicator. Secure the cable with a small zip tie. Place the cover on the back of the indicator, making sure the cable is positioned in the notch. This will avoid pinching or damaging the cable. Secure the cover with 4 screws. Check the bubble level on the scale base. If the bubble is out of center, adjust scale feet to achieve level. Scale assembly is now complete.